And Steve writes, if Congress is successful, and if you're successful in scaling Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac down, what model fills the gap?
Yeah. Well, we are fairly unique in the sense that most advanced developed countries don't have such a large government presence in the housing market. That's great. And the what are the barriers to scaling up? What are the things you still have to figure out in terms of being able to, you know, for this to then become the standard bearer for batteries?
When it comes to scaling up those things, these partnerships are essential to enable us to take what we've built and created and tested and tried to a larger scale.